Hi friends, in this video, we will learn about nested tuples. A tuple of tuples is known as a nested tuple. To understand it better, let us create a nested tuple T containing three items. The first item is a tuple containing items string A, int 10 and float -1.0. The second item is a tuple containing items string B, int 20 and float -2.0. The third item is a tuple containing items string C, int 30 and float -3.0. To access the item at jth index of the tuple at ith index in the tuple T, we can use the syntax T of ij. For example, to display the third item of the second tuple, we can print T of 1, 2. The output obtained is -2.0. Similarly, to display the second item of first tuple, we can print T of 0, 1. The output obtained is 10. If we want to display the first item of the third tuple, we can print T of 2, 0 and the output obtained is string C. Compared to a nested list, nested tuple is preferred for storing data such as a table fetched from a database, as it ensures the sanctity of data throughout the life cycle of the program, as it cannot be modified because tuples are immutable.